Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update on 1000 Days Challenge, the day 994. So let's get things started. Alright, so very clearly overall on the day itself, we do see some sort of a consolidation, some sort of a neutral kind of pattern overall across the board, except for say crypto a little bit more bearish, and also I guess in terms of keyword wise, slightly a little bit more bearish as well. So overall, we do see that in terms of S&P 500, we're still very consolidating very nicely on the top side. So over here, so even though I did mention that we are potentially forming a double top formation itself, overall, we are still leaning to a bullish side of things as long as we remain above the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, and also the fact that we are definitely in a clear kind of bullish structure as well on the daily chart as well. And then overall, if you look into Nasdaq wise, what we see very clearly over here is this consolidation very flatly above the resistance now turn support. So all of these points to a very good sign. Consolidating here for extended period of time is actually good, especially when there's still some distance away from the 20 exponential moving average. And right now showing support over here is also similarly a very good sign. And in the case if we do break towards the upside, this will potentially give it some fuel as well. Simply because if people who have looked to short, then people who have closed up the trade, or people who have, people who have looked to long but have been triggered down in terms of false break setup, push them to actually close the trade. This gives people opportunity to actually buy in at a lower price, and then thereafter these people will be keen to push the price up in that sense. All right, and then for ASH, a little bit unexpected because overall we still form very clear bullish market structure. So if you're looking from yesterday close itself, I will still be leaning towards the upside. But right now it seems that things are breaking towards the downside, in which case we definitely have formed a lower low. You can see the high over here and the low over here and the low over here itself. But of course, we still have this significant swing low that we do not want to break below. Otherwise, this could tentatively be a potential consolidation of crisscrossing kind of market structure in the meantime. And then overall, we move in terms of keyword wise, very clearly still bearish, like what I mentioned, very clear bearish market structure, no change in terms of that. Even for this small substructure itself, is clearly still bearish. So until that has been breached, I still lean towards further downside, and we want to see at least a potential kind of a bullish market structure on the sub market structure as well, in order for potential shift of momentum. So over here in terms of Bitcoin wise, right now we're still forming high, higher, higher, low itself. But if we do break over this low over here, tentatively we could have a much deeper drawback. But of course, over here itself, we still have over here, and this will still be the distinctively kind of a clear low if you want to break the market structure. So we still have some gap above it. And I think very unlikely we could hit below the 20K mark in the near term. But of course, that's not to say that it's impossible. If it does get to this level, I'll be extremely keen to buy more in that sense. But otherwise, I do think the attractive level will be somewhere along this 25K region itself. And that will give a very good risk to reward setup, especially if you're looking in terms of long-term wise. And then if you look in terms of Fibonacci retracement level just from this high and this low itself, treating it as a single wave itself, similarly, we will get around 0.618, which is at 23.9K, which is near 24K region itself, which you can see there's actually over here, the long over here, previously acted as resistance and now potentially as support, and over here. So I would say that if it moves to horizontal support of 24K, 5K region itself, potentially break every point if you're looking for a long-term kind of a buying opportunity in that sense. All right, with that said, I've come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop out comments below, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.